everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the November 2025 Hip Kits. Today I create a new layout with the November kits and I show you how I use the Lindy's Gang magical powders to mix color sprays and color my die cuts. First I cut out lots of leaves, branches and berries from white cardstock using the November 2025 winter foliage die set. I also cut out flowers using the November 2025 wreath, title and winter flower die set. Now I mix color sprays. I fill small spray bottles with water, add the magical powder and mix it. Then I use the sprays to color my die cuts. I start with the dark green, then I use the light green, and finally the red powder. I let everything dry and then I put all parts together. Now I cut out an 8x8 inch frame from the green backside of the pretty decor paper and decorate it with the die cut leaves, branches and flowers. To add dimension, I use foam adhesive behind some of the leaves and branches. Finally, I glue the decorated frame on my layout and add my photo. I start embellishing the page with some of the cardstock layered foam phrase and accent stickers. Then I pick out some die cuts from the cardstock ephemera pack and add them to my page. I continue with some chipboard die cuts. More cardstock die cuts and some puffy stickers. And then I choose some floral die cuts and add them to my layout. I finish with another chipboard die cut and some of the glitter animal shape stickers. And here you can see my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.